In the sleepy town of Maplewood, a little creature gazed up at the twinkling stars. Her heart ached with loneliness. "I wish for a friend," she whispered to the night. The next day, sunlight danced through the leaves as she explored the forest. Then, something shiny caught her eye. There it was, a shiny acorn. "This must be magic," she squealed with delight, her heart racing with possibilities. Overwhelmed with joy, she made a wish. "I want all the nuts in the forest," she declared, eyes gleaming. Nearby, two friends watched with concern. "But what about us?" they pleaded, their bellies rumbling softly. As acorns surrounded her, bliss vanished. The friends stood by, their stomachs empty. She felt more alone than ever. Just then, an old owl arrived. "Why the frown?" he asked. "You seem rich but sad." She realized her treasure brought no joy. What good were all these nuts without friends to share them with? With a deep breath, she made a new wish. "I want to share everything with my friends." As the sun set, all the animals came together. Laughter filled the air, a feast of nuts before them. Together, they munched happily. The warmth of friendship twinkled brighter than the stars. Under the glimmering sky, they